Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Urban EDC Supply Half Delta. Now in terms of 5th pocket carry knives, this little guy ranks really high on my list. You can see it has a trailing point Tonto blade, which is actually made from Elmax. Now I've mentioned it a million times on my channel before. Elmax is one of my absolute favorite steels, aside from 154 CM of course, but it is a frame lock design and comes with an all titanium handle. Now, the pocket clip, including all of the hardware, made from titanium as well. It's not a deep carry pocket clip, but it manages to carry quite well considering it fits in your 5th pocket. Now, the thing is with this knife, it is running on bearings. Now, the thumb disc deployment makes it really easy to spidey flick, although it did take me a little bit of practice to be able to get it down with the thumb. Now, the overall length on this guy is 5.09 inches. The blade is 2.12. The width is 0.85 with a thickness of 0.15. Now the handle length is 2.97. The width is 1 inch. The thickness is 0.45 and the weight is, I pressed the right button that time. The weight is 2.075. So practically nothing. This is pretty much what the size of the original bug out was, something like that. Right around 2 ounces. But anyway, compared to the Benchmade Mini Freak, you can see it's roughly around, 2.5 inches smaller than the Mini Freak. Now, compared to the Damn Designs Oni, you can see it's pretty much right around the same size as the Oni. So if you own an Oni, then chances are, you're pretty much gonna know what the size is automatically. The handle is pretty much around the same size, although the blade might be a smidget longer. Now compared to the Hogue Deca, it's 2.5, 2 3/4 inches smaller than the Deca. But again, it's a 5th pocket carry knife. Now, I'll throw in the Launch 4 real quick. So it's pretty much exactly the same size as the Launch 4, which I really like. A lot of people complain about the size, but to be honest, when I carry a knife this size, of course it's going to be small. I hold it just like this in a pinch grip and I can use it all day long. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.